In this tutorial, we're going to see how we can extract text from cells. Like if a cell contains a long string, how do we extract a portion of it? It could be a cell which contains the first name, last name, and the title of someone, and we're looking to extract only the title. So we'll see how to do that. We're going to use some functions. We'll see how the len function works, the left function, the right function, the mid function, and the find function. For this, we're going to use the Titanic data set. So I've removed all the unwanted columns here. We are interested in this column name. If you look at it, the name has a format where last name, comma, then it has the title dot first name. So what we are interested in is how do we extract the title? So the title is in the middle. So that will be our end goal for this exercise. We'll look at the functions now. So I pasted one of the names here. I'll remove this. Let's see how to do it. So len function will return the length of text in a given cell. This name here is 29 characters long. Now the left function will help us extract the leftmost 10 characters. If we say 10, we're going to say 10 now, comma 10. So these are the leftmost 10 characters. We'll see how the right function works. It works in a similar fashion, but we'll extract the rightmost 10 characters. So here we can see ETH space Walton, and the mid function will extract 10 characters in the middle, but the mid function takes an additional parameters, which is the starting number from which you would want the number of characters, the 10 characters. So we'll go here, we'll say starting number is 5, and then we'll say 10. Now you can see n is dot e. The find function is interesting to find. We can find a specific character. So the character we are looking for is, let's find the comma first, comma, then the text within which we want to find it. We can say enter. So 6. We're looking for a comma which is there in the 6th position. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now, how do we extract this miss? So what we need is we have the position of comma. We also need the position of dot. Because we know the comma plus 1 is what we need to use. Let's find the position of dot. We'll say equal to find dot comma in the text. So dot is at the 12th position. Now we can extract miss from this name by using the mid function and starting from 1 plus or 2 plus the position of comma and extracting up to 1 minus the dot position. So to do that, we'll say equal to mid. First we want the text which is A3, comma, the starting number is going to be find, returned by finding the comma, comma A3. Now we want starting number plus 2 because the starting number is a comma and then there is a space. So comma plus space is 2. So we'll say 2, comma. Now we need to extract number of characters between comma and dot. So we're going to say find, let's find the dot, comma A3. So the dot's position value minus find the comma's position value, comma A3 minus 2. One is for the dot and one is for the comma. So we got miss here. Now what we're going to do is we're going to take this formula and let's apply it here. So in this case, A3 should be replaced with C3. So we'll replace all the A3s with C3s, A3 with C2 is what we'll replace. So you can see we have extracted all the titles here. That's about it. Hope this tutorial was useful. Please use the comments to share your feedback. Thank you.